Once upon a time, high up in the bright blue sky, there lived a family of happy clouds. They loved to float, they loved to play, and most of all, they loved to bring gentle rain to the thirsty earth below. But then there was Puffy. Puffy was the smallest, fluffiest cloud in the family. While the others shared their rain, Puffy stayed quiet and dry. He was a little bit afraid. "What if I rain too much?" Puffy whispered to himself. "What if I make a big mess?" Down on the ground, the sun was very hot and the meadow was very dry. In the middle of the dust sat a tiny, thirsty flower. It was so weak it could barely hold up its petals. "Please," the flower said softly, "I am so thirsty. I need a little bit of water." Puffy heard the tiny flower's voice. He looked down and felt his heart go thump, thump. He wanted to help, but he was still so nervous. He had never rained before. But then Puffy looked at the sad flower again. He knew he had to be brave. He squeezed his eyes shut and tried his very best. And then, drip, drop, soft, magical rain began to fall. It wasn't a mess at all. It was just right. The tiny flower lifted its head. It drank the cool water and began to smile. Everywhere the rain touched, the meadow began to wake up. The grass grew green and fresh. The birds began to fly and sing, celebrating the wonderful gift Puffy had shared. And then, a beautiful rainbow arched across the sky, painting everything with joy. Puffy opened his eyes and saw the magic he had made. He wasn't afraid anymore. He learned that even a small, shy cloud could do big, wonderful things, because even small courage can make a big difference. The end.